Hello everyone, today I am at Hotel Indigo in downtown Los Angeles in room 826. I got a complimentary upgrade as an IHG Gold member thanks to Founders Card, link in description. I got this is the King Junior Suite with a city view. So let's come on in and take a look around. On the left as you come in, this light, and then we have a closet which is actually double-sided, so those are the doors we'll see in a moment. Usual ironing board, iron, etc. Got this, excuse my luggage, we've got this cute seating area with your kind of bench couch chair, so you can use this to have dinner perhaps. Complimentary waters. Keep looking around. I do love the design of this wallpaper, this sort of mural with the flowers, very pretty. Lovely bed with the plush headboard here. These studs, very nice. There's another one over there. Ha ha ha, I'm here a week. No, actually I'm only here for 2 nights. There's a lamp. Here's our other side of the closet. So this side we actually have 2 doors. So I guess that's so you can come in and you can hang your jacket. And then on this side you can have your luggage and your usual bits and bobs. Let's carry on. We've got that mirror, and by the bed over this side, it's kind of cool. We've got this little audio alarm clock, which is very nice. It has Bluetooth and an alarm and radio and so on and so forth. Also on the sides of the bed, just see there we have power and USB. We have that both sides. We continue. Here's the desk with the view, just looking out. That looks a bit of wasteland, not the best view, but the view from the bathroom we will get to in just a moment is much better. Here's the TV. Got a Keurig, loads of complimentary coffees and your cups there. And then in here, glassware, ice bucket, and in here is a refrigerator for personal use, which is fantastic. You can keep your creamer for your coffee, snacks, sandwiches, etc. And then into the bathroom we go, and as you can see already, the view is far more impressive. High rises, the road, some greenery, yeah, a bit better than the wasteland down there. Okay, let's have a look. Single vanity, huge mirror with these lights, loads of towels. You've got your hairdryer in there. Really like the decorative style of this, full tile. There's your WC, which, yeah, let's take a seat. My first ever WC with a view of Los Angeles. Not bad. However, I think I would have the blinds down because I'm not sure if people could see in. And then we have this huge shower. I mean, it's massive. We've got a rain head there. Our usual bottled toiletries, which, as I've mentioned before, I do like to see, better for the environment. Towel, washcloth ready to go. So there you go. That is the King Junior Suite at Hotel Indigo, downtown Los Angeles. As I mentioned, check in my description of this video for a Founders Card. That's how I got gold with IHG rewards, and it's continuing to pay dividends, just like the gold with Hilton. Always seem to get these complimentary upgrades, and they are fantastic. Thanks for watching. As always, I'll catch you on the next one.
Rusty on travel.